Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting lens to review. The Rokinon 85mm f1.4 Aspherical lens designed for Sony E mount cameras. Let's dive right into it. First off, let's talk build quality. The Rokinon 85mm impresses with its robust construction. Made from high-quality materials, this lens feels durable and ready to tackle any shooting situation. However, it's worth noting that it's on the heavier side. So be prepared for that extra weight when shooting for extended periods. One of the standout features of this lens is its ultra-wide aperture of f1.4. This allows for incredible depth of field control, perfect for isolating subjects and creating stunning bokeh in your shots. Whether you're shooting portraits or low-light scenes, this lens excels in delivering sharp images with beautiful background blur. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: manual focus. Yes, this lens is manual focus only. But don't let that deter you. Manual focusing can be a blessing in disguise, especially for portrait photographers who crave precise control over their shots. Plus, with practice, you'll find that nailing focus becomes second nature. Speaking of results, let's talk image quality. The Rokinon 85mm consistently delivers stunningly sharp images, even wide open at f1.4. Colors are rendered beautifully, and the lens exhibits minimal distortion, ensuring your subjects look natural and lifelike. In conclusion, the Rokinon 85mm f1.4 Aspherical lens is a fantastic option for Sony E mount shooters looking to elevate their photography game. With its solid build, wide aperture, and exceptional image quality, it's a lens that's sure to impress. Just remember to embrace manual focusing and unleash the full potential of this gem. That wraps up our review for today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy shooting!